RoadGlideSully here with another random traffic thought. Starting to sound like a radio announcer. Not on purpose. After this. So I was sitting at my brother's. I don't have a brother. Well, I do have a brother, but he doesn't play baseball. I was sitting at my boys' baseball game last night, and I was looking up into the sky. It dawned on me that this world is pretty dang big, but the universe is even bigger. And you know, I used to watch a lot of those like National Geographic shows. I guess we call it Nat Geo now. I was watching a bunch of these shows when I was a kid, and I always remember these like South African tribes that like collectively everybody got together and said, we won't contact them because we want to keep them pure. We don't want the ways of the world to taint the South African tribe. And so first of all, the ways of the world, as if we're all jerks. We're going to turn them into, I don't know, Christmas shopping. Yeah, I guess we are. Yeah, we would totally do that. Yeah, we would. So anyway, it dawned on me as I was looking up into the sky last night that what if, it's just a what if we, Earth, is a South African tribe? Like, what if everybody else in the entire universe, they're all, you know, chatting and you know, flying back and forth between each other's worlds and meeting each other and you know, kind of like Star Wars. What if that's all going on, but the reason that we think we're alone is because, well, they've all collectively agreed not to taint us. Which then leads me to the next question, which is, if they've all agreed not to mess us up, how bad are they? And then, of course, it dawned on me that I'm really happy I don't work for the government. And one of the reasons why is because if for some reason that rogue world decides to reach out and touch someone and make contact with us, I really don't want to be the guy that has to meet the first alien. I mean, let's assume for a moment that aliens are more technically advanced than us. I mean, if they're the ones reaching out. Then let's assume that they've watched a lot of our movies. I feel like the first guy is going to have some explaining to do. Because in most of the movies, we kill them. So, totally different topic. My son and I, we have this ongoing debate. He claims that things can't get wet. I claim that he has no clue and that these teachers today. But then I got to thinking, and yes, it dawned on me that things really are never on fire. Fire is on things. My last thought, and this is totally random. Did you ever notice that we all carry in our wallets or our purses something that we call a driver's license? And yet, most of the time, we use them to buy things that impair our ability to drive. Some things in this world just do not make sense. I think we should call it an impairment license. Anyway, I'm RoadGlideSully. Keep that rubber side down. Hey, I'm in one of those moods today. RoadGlideSully here. Getting ready to do another random traffic thought at the 8 o'clock hour. I don't know what I'm doing. Welcome to RoadGlideSully's Random Traffic Thoughts for your morning drive at the 8 o'clock hour. RoadGlideSully here. Never said it that way. I don't know why. Yeah, I do. Stupid.